Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Windows 10 is reasonably up to date and Paint 3D is installed. Open the app from Start or right-click an image and choose Edit with Paint 3D. This puts you immediately into the workspace. Once inside, set canvas size and resolution and pick a transparent or colored background so your edits behave predictably. Now add an image or create a new project to begin modeling or painting. This gets you into action right away. Next, focus on core techniques. Use the 2D brushes for precise painting, then introduce 3D objects from the library or create shapes from scratch. Stickers let you map images onto surfaces. Use selection to isolate parts, then rotate and scale in the 3D view. Make sure to snap or align objects for clean composition. Apply lighting, textures, and simple effects to add depth, and when you need a subject separated, use Magic Select to remove backgrounds quickly and refine edges. To finish, export your work. Choose PNG or JPEG for flat images, or 3MF/GLB for 3D models. Select transparent background when you need overlays. Always save as a P3D project to retain layers and 3D edits before closing, then perform a final review in the 3D view. If something goes wrong, try a simple troubleshooting step. Clear Paint 3D's cache, check for updates, and as needed reinstall from the Microsoft Store. This fixes most crashes and missing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.